back with meteorologist Jordan Smith for a full look at your forecast. Now today, pretty good day to start the weekend off, and it's going to kind of continue throughout the weekend, but then next week is when we're going to start to see some changes.
Yeah, unfortunately, the high water issues that we've seen this past week could be on the table once again next week. But first, we are putting the wraps on a pretty nice Saturday across the region. This is a live look down in Richmond. Thanks to our Bluegrass Payscare Skyview HD camera network. Temperatures have dropped off into the 40s after we hit near 50 this afternoon. 43 here in Lexington, and that's the same way across most of Kentucky. Our Max HD radar is clear across the state. Still some flood warnings for those area creeks and streams. That's just because we had so much rain last week. It's taken those waterways some time to go back down to where they should be. Again, temperatures low 40s here in central and northern Kentucky, and still trying to hold on to some upper 40s down there for areas that are to our south. But compare this to this time yesterday, and we are 10 to 15 degrees above where we were yesterday, as we had that cold snap yesterday and knocked highs into the low 30s. Now, something that we're going to be tracking over the next 24 hours is gusty winds. Here's later tonight at 11 p.m. Gusts could be as high as 15 to 20 miles an hour. So let's fast forward that into Sunday morning. As you're heading out to Sunday brunches, Sunday church services, 25 to 30 miles an hour here in central Kentucky, and then gusts could get as high as 35 to maybe in upwards of 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon and into the evening before they back off later on our Sunday. So if you have any loose objects outside your house, on your porch, on your patio, might be a good idea to tie those down and bring those inside before you head to bed tonight so you don't chase them out of the neighbor's yard come Monday morning. Let's track the next couple of days out. Shows tomorrow morning starting into the 40s. And when we start into the 40s, it's only up from there. And that is exactly what's on the table tomorrow afternoon. Most everyone will be near 60 degrees underneath mostly sunny skies. Now head into our President's Day here on Sunday. You can see some rain showers around, good possibility for the first half of the day. Models, the closer we get to Monday, are trying to trend a little bit more rainier, so that's something we'll have to keep on guard for. But then by Monday afternoon, we break it out into a mix of sun and clouds with temperatures near 60 once again. And then Tuesday morning, we'll start out into the 40s with temperatures near 60. Now let's get to our extended forecast and extend this on into Wednesday and Thursday, because that's when we could be tracking heavy rain, maybe even some thunderstorms and another high water issue. So again, here's Tuesday, some light showers around. Now Tuesday night into Wednesday, we could be tracking waves of heavy rain across the area. Take a brief break Wednesday afternoon to the early part of the evening before additional rain and even thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday. With the recent rains of this week, the waterways already running high and the saturated ground, we could be on guard for more high water issues. And Thursday afternoon, we hit the low to mid 70s before we back it off a little bit into the day on Friday, and temperatures are well above average right on through the next 7 to 10 days. Here in the short term tonight, mid 30s, partly cloudy and chilly with those breezy winds picking up. Tomorrow, near 60 degrees with partly sunny, very windy conditions as high as 30 to 35. Here's a quick look at that 7-day forecast. Shows that we're in the upper 50s and near 60 right on through midweek. And then we jump up into the 70s. But again, that could likely come with a price with heavy rain, some thunderstorms, and some flash flooding issues Wednesday night.